Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction, opinion itong post ni Senator Ping Lacson sa kanyang social media page. Sabi niya, more than flood control, what the Filipino people needs is greed control. Wow! Na bullseye mo, Senator Ping Lacson. Kung bakit talamak ang korupsyon lalo na sa flood control projects dahil sa hindi makontrol na kasakiman ng marami contractors o politicians, officials in government, connivance with contractors. Kaya loko-loko na ang ating pamahalaan ngayon sa sobrang kasakiman ng mga nakaupo sa gobyerno na nakikipagsabuatan sa mga contractors. Okay, saludo ako kay Senator Ping Lacson. Live siya ngayon sa Senado. Nagpre-present siya ng mga facts tungkol sa anomalya sa flood control. Pakinggan natin siya.
May natuklasan naming isang kontraktor ang naawardan ng lahat ng packages na ito, ang Silver Wolves Construction Corporation. Distinct pa rin, distinguished colleagues. Ito ang nabanggit kong pork barrel insertions kanina, Mr. President. Meron pang mas matinding congressional insertions, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Baco at Nauhan, Oriental Mindoro. Aguila constructs congressional insertions. Mr. President, when flood control projects fail to stand against tides, we are compelled to question the feasibility of the project and the technical capacity of the contractor. But what if an elected congressman or a political group claims ownership of the project? Is it not both proper and necessary to scrutinize their motivations and examine the extent of their involvement and perhaps to hold them responsible? This explains the logic why I am insisting to make transparent the identities of the proponents of the insertions from the House GAP, Senate version, and all the way to the BICAM. If they claim something as theirs, should they not also be accountable for its failures? Mr. President, I raise the question because of the evident congressional banners we observe alongside many projects in Nauhan and Baco, both in Oriental Mindoro. Bilang halimbawa, in Barangay Burbuli, Baco, Oriental Mindoro, one banner reads, Congressional Project, Construction of Flood Control Structure along Barangay Burbuli, Alag River, Baco, Oriental Mindoro, Aguila, Aksyon, Gobyerno at Inisyatibo sa Larangang Legislatura. This project, awarded to Silver Wolves Construction Corporation again, is worth 95 million pesos. It is an ongoing project to be completed in December 2025. This project is so important that it can turn stones and get funding approval under the unprogrammed appropriations of the 2024 national budget. This prods us to dig deeper into the web. And as they say, social media is a great resource of evidence, which lawyers fondly call testimony against self-interest. In one Facebook post, we discovered a congressional representative showcasing his midterm accomplishment report covering the period from June 30, 2022 to December 31, 2023. He openly lists projects, hold your breath, funded by his office. I repeat, funded by his office, including flood control and river protection initiatives. From Aguilas Baco, let us travel to Aguilas Nauhan, also in Oriental Mindoro. Mr. President, Nauhan is among the beneficiaries of 3.6 billion pesos worth of projects, while Baco proudly lists 807 million, all of which is attributed to and owned up by the office of the congressman. Hindi lamang po ito ang maswerteng napondohan. Isa pa sa pinagmamalaki ng mga pag-angking congressman ay ang flood control structure sa Butas River upstream, Barangay San Jose, Nauhan, Oriental, Mindoro. We took time to visit the project, Mr. President, which he referred to as a national project through congressional allocation. The project was awarded to Raymond Builders for 231 million pesos at hinugot pa rin ito sa unprogrammed funds. Dalawang projects na po ito ng Aguila na natuklasan naming mula sa unprogrammed funds, isa sa Barangay Burbuli at isa sa Barangay San Jose. Sa tagal ko na rin pong nagbubusisi ng pampasang budget, ang pagkakaalam ko po, masalimuot ang proseso ng paggamit ng unprogrammed appropriations under the Special Purpose Fund para mag-augment sa ilang items under the regular budget. Hindi po madaling ma-access ito. Dapat A. May excess revenue collections, or B. New revenue collections, or C. Those arising from new tax or non-tax sources, or D. Approved loans para sa foreign assisted projects. Mahaba din ang requirements dito, Mr. President. So, ano kaya ang taglay na agimat ni Congressman? What gives, Mr. President? Kung saan may multimillion projects, dumadapo ang Aguila. Pero lubog pa rin sa baha ang nadadapuan ng Aguila. Isa lamang po ito sa napakaraming banners at social media posts ng congressional insertions ng mga politiko na naglipana sa iba't ibang bahagi ng bansa. Mr. President, ituloy na po natin ang diskusyon tungkol sa aming mga obserbasyon sa lalawigan ng Oriental Mindoro. Without taking anything away from the good but suffering people of this province on the legitimacy of their needs due to its high flood susceptibility, I want to speak of the billions of appropriations for flood control projects poured into this province in Luzon's eastern flank. Mr. President, when someone gets the largest share of the pie, we naturally ask why, especially if such a price comes from the taxpayers' tab. In Oriental Mindoro, for example, we wonder why among its
Okay, salamat po, Senator Ping Lacson. Saludo tayo sa kanya. Ulitin na yung sabi niya, greed control. Grabing kasakiman ng pera. Yung politiko, DPWH, contractor, kaya nagkakaluko-luko tayo. Kaya salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel, mga kaibigan, na nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon. Dahil ang income natin sa project na ito is pantulong natin sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng mga libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo sila ng mas maayos na tirahan. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Tango na gyud ni Kuya ang iyang atop nga trapalang. Tagaan na siya og yero.
Kaya pa ako siya sa ito. Tay kagay.
Tama na no. Ulali masabihin ko dali.
salamat sa Ginoo nga nagtabang sa amoa o sa naghatag sa sin. Kung para ang among atop, di siya magbugay. Dili naman siya madaot.
Oo. Napila na dai kabulan ang inyong atop nga trapal lang.
Bugay na.
Mm.
Bulan.
Duha ka bulan lang. So karon nakaatop na mog bag-o.
Oh, okay kayo among pasalamat nga nakatop namin yung kuan sin.
So, salamat kayo.
Salamat kaayo
Oo.
sa nagatag ani.
Oo, thank you.